Hey guys, so I just got this back today, and this is the Charizard card I pulled on the second video I ever posted. Well, that Caitlin pulled, but yeah, I sent it into PSA to get graded, so I just got it back. I'm gonna open it up and see what it got graded. And yeah, this is pretty nuts how they package this thing. There we go. Oh yeah. They package these things real nice, tell you what. And there it is. Pokemon Charizard Shiny GX 9 grade. Alright, that's pretty awesome. That's pretty amazing. Alright. Cool. Well, let's see if it tells me why wasn't a 10. Okay. Oh, doesn't tell me. Alright guys, thanks for joining me, but there we go. Mint 9, all sealed up. Alright, thanks for joining me. Like, share, comment, and yeah, have a good day.